Did you know that certain essential oils can help regulate hormones, alleviate perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms, and even improve your mood? Studies have shown that oils like geranium and lavender can actually promote hormonal balance. Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome to our DIY guide on creating a hormone balancing oil using carrier and essential oils. Today, you'll learn how to easily make this blend at home. It's super simple, and I promise you'll feel great about using natural ingredients in your daily routine. I'd love to hear from you. What supplements would you like to learn about next? Drop them in the comments and we'll make videos about them. Do yourself a favor and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the wealth of knowledge that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching to the end so you don't miss my favorite tips and tricks. Many women struggle with hormonal imbalances that can lead to various health issues. You know, things like mood swings, fatigue, weight gain, and even skin problems. This is especially true in perimenopause and menopause. It's crucial to find natural, effective solutions. Instead of reaching for those synthetic products that can have side effects, why not turn to nature? Hormonal balance is essential for our overall well-being, and it can be affected by factors like stress, diet, and even our environment. Getting a handle on these imbalances can seem overwhelming, but today I'm going to show you that it doesn't have to be hard or complicated. Essential oils, concentrated plant extracts, have been used for centuries for their therapeutic benefits. Research suggests some are particularly beneficial for hormone balance throughout a woman's life. If you're thinking that essential oils are endocrine disruptors that can cause hormonal imbalance, let's bust that myth right now. Essential oils are unregulated. That means some brands are marketing products as essential oils when those products really should be called fragrance oils because they contain synthetic fragrance. I read the bogus propaganda research paper that started this myth. Suspiciously, the essential oils they tested were made by a chemical manufacturer, not a brand known for making true essential oils. Don't get me started about the dangers of synthetic fragrance when it comes to women's health and wellness. When I refer to essential oils, I am only speaking about oils that are uncontaminated by synthetic molecules. Now that my rant is over, let's continue. This hormone balancing oil has many more benefits than those I will list later. Emerging science is pointing to the fact that the feminine microbiome is as important to reproductive health as the gut microbiome is to overall health. This oil supports the feminine microbiome by helping to balance pH, which can prevent harmful microorganisms from overgrowing. The vaginal microbiome also protects against pathogens, such as sexually transmitted diseases and urinary tract infections. Importantly, the vaginal microbiome may be linked to infertility. Some studies suggest that women with a higher prevalence of lactobacillus species in their vaginal microbiome are more likely to get pregnant. Other studies suggest that microbial dysbiosis may be associated with infertility and IVF outcomes. Now that we understand some of the overall benefits, let's talk about the specific ingredients. A 2017 study found lavender oil may help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate PMS symptoms like mood swings and irritability. Lavender is also soothing to the skin and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is one of the best essential oils to heal and regenerate skin cells. Lavender has also been shown to alleviate hot flashes, insomnia, and help you get your mojo back during and after menopause. Neroli essential oil, extracted from bitter orange blossoms, has shown potential in reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality, both common issues related to hormonal fluctuations. A 2014 study found that inhalation of neroli oil helps relieve menopausal symptoms, increase sexual desire, and reduce blood pressure in postmenopausal women. Neroli oil may have potential as an effective intervention to reduce stress and improve the endocrine system. In case you have forgotten everything you learned in biology class, the endocrine system is the control center of all of your hormones. This makes neroli ideal to use for all phases of a woman's lifetime. Please pardon the interruption because you're definitely going to want to hear this. I am absolutely obsessed with high heels, but I refuse to suffer for my art. I started using Vivian Leigh insoles 4 years ago. Now they're in every pair of heels I own. Let's not talk about how many there are. The science behind how they work is fascinating. They don't just cushion your soles, they actually shift your weight to prevent the pain. Check their reviews. No lies detected there. If you want to try Vivian Leigh insoles for 20% off, check the link in the description. If you're like me, you can email them to buy in bulk after you realize you never want to wear heels without them again. Thanks for sharing this special stiletto-obsessed moment with me. I sincerely appreciate you for supporting my shoe habit. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Next, we have Geranium essential oil. Traditionally used to balance hormones, geranium oil may help alleviate PMS symptoms like cramps and breast tenderness. Geranium has also been shown to increase salivary estrogen levels in menopausal women. Geranium also has numerous skin health benefits, including soothing irritated skin and helping to repair the skin barrier. It also has antimicrobial properties. This is important for preventing and treating infections. Known for its calming properties, frankincense has been used to support overall well-being. It has powerful antimicrobial and skin healing properties. It may also be beneficial for women experiencing menopausal symptoms, including vaginal dryness. For reference, here are a few essential oils that can be helpful in each phase of your menstrual cycle. And if you're thinking this doesn't matter in menopause, think again. Women maintain a menstrual cycle throughout their lifetimes. The menstrual phase and ovulation phase just become extremely short. I know. I was as shocked as you are right now when I learned this years ago. Listen up, ladies. Some essential oils have been shown to improve a woman's libido. Beta-caryophyllene, an active ingredient in many essential oils, has been shown to be a promising remedy with fewer side effects for women with decreased libido. This happens by raising testosterone levels by just enough to get your motor running. This study was published in 2020. Some essential oils that may be helpful are ylang-ylang, lavender, Roman chamomile, and helichrysum. Research suggests fenugreek seed oil may help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate menopausal symptoms like hot flashes. Fenugreek seed oil is also renowned for its ability to improve libido in both men and women. As a bonus, it smells like maple syrup. Rich in antioxidants, pomegranate seed oil can help support hormonal health and skin elasticity. Several research studies have proven its benefits to support fertility and to alleviate the symptoms of menopause like hot flashes and osteoporosis. As a bonus, it has also been studied for its anti-cancer properties. Often used for PMS, evening primrose oil contains gamma-linolenic acid or GLA, which may help reduce symptoms like breast tenderness and mood swings. It has also been thoroughly studied for its ability to alleviate the worst menopause symptoms. GLA has also been studied for its ability to support hormone health for women in their fertile years. Evening primrose is not my favorite smell, that's why fenugreek is part of this blend. I've saved the best carrier oil for last. Sea buckthorn seed oil. Parts of the plant contain phenols, carotenoids like lycopene, carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, flavonoids such as isoramnitin, quercetin, glycosides, and camphorol, tocopherols, sterols, polyunsaturated fatty acids, minerals, vitamins, omega-3, 6, 9, and rare omega-7 fatty acids. These phytochemicals help protect the health of ovarian cells, promote hormone balance, decrease the probability of ovarian cancer, manage endometriosis, and even work as a natural alternative to hormone replacement therapy. I know, I was floored when I read this. The study referenced was published in 2023. Now for the reason you watched this video in the first place. Let's create a customized hormone balancing oil blend called Mojo Juice. Choose a combination of fenugreek, pomegranate, evening primrose, and sea buckthorn oils based on your specific needs. You will fill an 8-ounce mason jar with this blend. 8 ounces is approximately 237 milliliters. The ratio should be 98% carrier oils, 2% essential oils. Next, add 5 milliliters of your choice of essential oils. You can do this by setting a food scale to grams and weighing 5 grams. You can also do this by counting drops. 20 drops is approximately 1 milliliter. Allow this mixture to cure for 10 days so the ingredients can get to know each other well. Transfer the oil to a glass pump bottle. Apply a total of 3 pumps to your inner downstairs lips in the morning after a shower, then again before bed. Move your hips side to side to make sure the oil gets absorbed. Always do a patch test before full application. This blend will work with just the carrier oils if you prefer. You may find that the area feels warm after application. That's because many of the ingredients increase blood flow. If you experience burning or stinging, discontinue use as you may have an allergy to one of the ingredients. You may also notice that it's easier to achieve the big O, and that your lady garden is dewier after using this oil for a few days. As a bonus, this oil smells amazing. You can thank me later. As a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional. This information is for educational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. Consult your doctor before using essential oils, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this information to be at all helpful, be sure to like this video. It's an easy way to support this channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more tips and discussions on menopause and holistic wellness. Thanks for watching to the end. See you next time. Check out one of these videos if you would like to watch more of our content.